Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In my last video, we were watching that Zilliqa broke down a very significant support, and after that, we were having a weak support at 3.5 cents. And right now, you can see that the price line is being accumulated above this support on the daily time frame. By the way, I was showing you the support on the weekly time frame because this is another long-term support. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break down the next support or we are going to have a reversal from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame. And here we were watching that the price line broke down a very significant support on the weekly time frame, and that was the support of this descending triangle. And this support was found here in January 2021, and the price line never broke down this support after January 2021. We tested this support several times here and here and here as well, and after this short bounce, the price line moved down and also broke down this 200 weekly simple moving average. That was also another additional support below the support of the descending triangle. By the way, we had this descending triangle support at 5.5 cents. Right now we are having another support here at 3.5, and I told you that here for 1, 2, and 3 weeks the price line have been facing this resistance. Now it is working as a support. In those days, back in November 2020, it has been working as a resistance. Now let's move to the November 2020 on the daily time frame, and we can see that on the daily time frame we have several touch points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 touch points as a resistance. And on the weekly time frame, for 3 weeks, it has been working as a resistance before this breakout. 1, 2, and 3, and on 4th week, it broke it out. And even before that, this was the point that I want to show you in today's video, because in my previous video, I ignored these touch points and I was just watching these 3 touch points on the weekly time frame, and I was telling you that it can work as a weak support. We can see that even in 2018, it has been working as a very strong support here and as a strong support and resistance here in October 2018 as well. Therefore, this is not a weak support, this is another strong support, and we can have a price reversal from here. Now we can see that here the candlestick is getting weaker. Like previously we had a strong very strong bearish candlestick. Now it is getting weaker, and if we connect all these trend lines from here to here, then here we also have another formation of a down channel. And if I switch to the daily time frame, then this down channel will be more visible for us, and we can see that we have several touch points, and at the resistance, even it is a falling wedge pattern, it is more likely to be a falling wedge pattern. And you can see that we have this support of 3.5 cents exactly below the support of this falling wedge pattern. And the resistance, for example, if we are going to hit the resistance, that is approximately at 5.5 cents. That is the previous support of the triangle, of the descending triangle. I told you that that support is also at 5.5 cents, and that can work as a very strong resistance. After breaking out the 5.5 cents, it can move here at the tail of this falling wedge. That will be approximately at 12 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.